Hey folks, it's Logger John here, and it's Friday night. It's around 4:30, so closer to 5, I think. I'm down here in Athens, Ontario, and we're down to see the truck pull tonight. And I'm just walking around. It's a little bit windy, so I'm trying to stay out of the wind. It's a bit of a breeze. It's a beautiful evening, and just over there they're having the truck pull. It starts in about an hour. So we're going to check that out. But right now, I'm over here checking out some of the tractors. The show goes on all weekend. Saturday, tomorrow is the antique tractor pull. And Sunday it goes on. There's a horse pull on Sunday and a garden tractor pull on Sunday. I'm just going to walk around here and have a look. See what's going on. Got some nice internationals here. We'll have a quick look around. I'm going to be back tomorrow for the antique tractor pull, and we'll have a look around some more. This is a pretty interesting piece of equipment here. New Holland Hay Cruiser 178. That is interesting. I've never saw one of these. It's a self-propelled baler. Huh, that is pretty interesting. I didn't even know they made something like this. Huh. That is pretty cool. You got some pretty cool places, or pretty cool pieces of machinery here. I'm tongue-tied. Got some beautiful Farmersville International. We got a John Deere. And then we have some Fords. This year the theme is John Deere. So I'm sure there's going to be a lot more stuff here tomorrow, but people are just moving stuff in. Some cock shuts. We got a John Deere baler here. Look at the size of this thing. Wow. That thing's crazy. It's hooked onto. Look at the size of this tractor up here. Look at the tires on it. My goodness. I can barely reach, I can stretch and reach the top of these tires. Wow. Yeah, there's another one. Then we got some smaller compact ones here. But we have some older ones. We got a John Deere D compared to these guys. We got a John Deere D, and then we got a John Deere 40 and a 3130 and a 60, and then we have another 60, no, a 70. Yeah, we'll come check this out tomorrow better. It's going to be, I imagine this whole area here will be full of stuff. Usually there's chainsaws and stuff here. This is actually the first time I've ever been down here on a Friday night. I usually only come on Saturday. Nice little zero turn mower, John Deere. And then of course up here, I get a better shot of this tractor now. Look at the weight bracket thing on the front. Hydraulic. Wow. Then over here we got some big rigs and some more big rigs over here. We'll take a walk over here. Like I've already said, there's going to be a lot more stuff here tomorrow. Got some cab overs, Kenworth, and the Mack. That's pretty cool. Some pretty cool trucks. The old fire truck, Athens Fire Department. We got this front end loader, Tackleberry. Huh. Well, got some old trucks here. We got this old track loader. That's pretty cool. Case 1957, 310. This is George Tackleberry's collection. He's a local owner of all this stuff here. He has a construction business just down the road, and it says here this is his first loader, George's first loader, purchased in 1963. Now he owns all this stuff. He has a huge collection. Huh. International truck. Look at this old truck here. GMC. Anyways, I'm gonna walk around some more, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm back here. I'm gonna take a look at this old steam engine. It's pretty cool. George White and Sons, London in Brandon. And then we have this 1926 Rumley oil pull, and they have it hooked up to down here the rock crusher. I don't know if this might be working tomorrow. They might have it running tomorrow, I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm going to head over to the, oh, here's a antique road grader. Huh. You can see off in the distance right there where all the trailers are parked, you can see all the dead ash all back there. Should have brought my chainsaw. Logger John, brought to you by Big J's Beans, the logger's choice. Okay, we're down here in the truck, in the pits for the truck pull. Got a few crazy looking trucks here. Up there they're weighing up. You can see them weighing on the weight scale. They got to weigh a certain weight.
I don't want to speak right into it. Okay. Yes. Settle down.
We have the sled over here.
Look what part of the name you do.
Okay, we're ready to go here at the Athens truck pull. We have a Suburban up, a lady driver.
Makes everybody a lot easier and makes it easy on me.
We got a good crowd.
I like hitting the easy button every once in a while.
It's a beautiful
so
night.
I know who's pulling what.
This is the first time this sled's pulled here, so once we get going here, I'm going to move further down to the end maybe. Here we go. First pull of the truck here. We're Suburban. Doing pretty good.
Nice and steady. That looks like that's it. Yep.
Not a bad pull.
Well, I don't know. We're going to find out if Robert's learned anything or not. And he's still moving. He's working hard. Well, as you can see, this is not Josh's first pull. He's been working at it for a while now. I think he's taking the boat right home. He lives on the other end of town. I don't think he's going to stop. And that's how it's done right there. Right, I think I hear a little rumbling coming down the track. And from the sounds of it, I think we got something coming down the track. We got some wheels rolling. Here comes the Dodge 2020. Definitely working. Starting to grunt a little bit, but she's still moving. Looking for every inch that he can get. No, he shuts it down right there. In here, I hear a little rumbling. Hey, Hudson, coming down. 2006 Chevy. Alright, he shuts it down there.
Oh my goodness.
first pull. Oh, he shuts it down. Josh has got something going on. Looking for every inch that he can get. Oh, shuts it down there. Another one with the pollution control cranked right up on it. Looks like he's run the pollution control on that tonight too, so I can say she's definitely diesel. Alright, sounds like Nick's got something going on. He's got a little fire in the furnace going here. Nope, shuts her down. Alright, we got Jacob Como coming down here. Green light's on. Here comes Phil. First puller in the 8500. Right there. 2018 Dodge Ram. And looks like he's coming down the track. Oh, right. White lightning. He's got the pollution control on tonight, but we're going to find out. All right, Ethan Jones on his way down in his 99 Ford. A little bit of black coal coming out. She's just getting herself cleaned out. Alright, we got something happening. Alrighty. No mosquitoes over there. For everybody, Jordan Jackson's playing in the beer gardens there. Check out the white lightning.